It's heavy enough. Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. What's up, everybody? Happy April Fool's Day. I hope you guys didn't get fooled today, because if you did, you're a fool. Comment down below if you got fooled today, and if you did, hey, tell us what it was. So our dishwasher went out maybe a month ago, and Kelly's been on me about getting a new dishwasher, and I finally got one today. So I came up with the greatest prank ever. I'm gonna take the old one and put it in the box that the new one came in. I'm gonna load it back into my truck, and when she pulls up to the driveway, I'm gonna act like I'm taking it out of the truck, and then I'm gonna drop it. So she thinks that I'm gonna be dropping the new dishwasher, but really, I'm gonna be dropping the old dishwasher. So let's see how this prank ends up. I wanna see if she freaks out, or if she kinda just gets mad and walks inside. We'll see what happens. Bam! Brand new dishwasher prank. Ready to go. So we got about 30 minutes before she comes home. So I'm gonna throw it in the back of the truck, and then I'm gonna kind of hang out front for a little bit, so that way when she pulls up, I can be like, hey babe, can you help me unload this dishwasher? And then she's like, oh, I'm kind of tired. I'm like, babe, just help me get it down real quick. Okay, so she's gonna help me get it down, and then I'm gonna kind of make it so she kind of drops it on her own. And then I'm like, what'd you do?
What'd you do?
That's exactly what's gonna happen. I'm gonna reenact that, except with the dishwasher. I'm gonna throw this in the back of my truck, set the prank up, let's go. Hey, finally got that new dishwasher.
That's fine.
Yep, how's your day?
It's good.
Was it? I need some help getting this down. Can you help me, or do you guys go change?
Devin's not here?
No, he's not here. Need your
Well,
help.
how heavy is it?
Well, it's heavy enough. I don't want to hurt my back.
I know, but I don't want to.
You don't want to drop? I'm not gonna
Well,
drop
I'm
it.
not
Just
gonna
be
drop.
careful. I just can't get. I don't want to hurt my back.
Alright.
Sorry. Sorry. Make sure you get on that side, all right? And make sure you got it. Okay?
Well, let me see what's the best way to hold it.
I would just grab it from the
Well, it's
bottom.
not even that heavy.
Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Oh,
Hey,
Kellen.
what the heck, dude? Did you just drop this dishwasher?
You dropped it. I had it on my side. You dropped it. Dude,
my
you
God,
dropped
dude.
it. It's not that heavy.
Oh my God, dude! For real, you just dropped a brand new dishwasher.
No, you dropped it.
Dude, I can't take this
No,
back.
I had it. I had it. You dropped it. Just about.
Dude, you dropped a brand new dishwasher.
Well, I told you. Why didn't you ask somebody else to help you?
You think it's broken?
Well, you dropped it.
I didn't drop it. You dropped it. You think it's broken?
Probably. Oh my God, dude.
I can't take this back if it's broken.
Well, then it's your own fault because you dropped
It's
it.
like $700 down the drain.
Well,
No joke.
whose fault is it? You dropped it.
Dude, you had it. You said you had it.
Well, I did have it. I had
said
it
you
on
had
my.
it.
I had it on my side.
All right. Well, let's see.
I had it on my
You're gonna
side.
take it back if it's broken.
No, I'm not taking it back. You dropped it. Why does it look like that? Why does it look old? Did you get me a used one?
Yeah, I got you the same exact used one that we had.
Oh, it's our old one. Why did you do that?
April Fool's, eh?
See, I knew I had it.
Oh, shut up. No, you did not have it. Come on now. Did I get you?
Yes.
Did I?
Well, yeah. Well, I wasn't gonna take the blame for it anyway. You dropped it. Wasn't my fault.
swear to God.
But it was good.
Yeah. I would have freaked out a lot more if it was actually a brand new dishwasher. Anyways, I need your help actually putting it in the back of the truck though. I gotta drop this off.